Hi guys, I am changing my oil. It's 20,000 miles on the car. I just wanted to show an example of changing the oil on my metal oil pan that I changed out with the magnetic drain plug. Here's all the little extra crush washers that I bought for it. So I won't need that many, I just need one. But I use mobile ones, European car formula, 0W40. Works out great. And then I got a genuine replacement Audi filter, or Volkswagen Audi. Should come with the gasket as well, and it does. I have to change that out as well. So I'll get started. I'll put the car on some wheel chokes and jack it up so I can get underneath it. Alright guys, I'm going underneath the car. I'm showing the oil pan that I got from House of Dubs. You can see there's no rusting or anything. Looking strong, looking good. There's the magnetic drain plug I gotta get off. Just to let you know. There's plenty of videos on YouTube videos of removing a drain plug. It's no big deal. I tightened that to 22 foot-pounds. But what's a big deal, of course, is my car's an MK7. And for all you MK7 owners, you know that you have a plastic pan with a plastic drain plug that you have to replace every time. And the whole idea with mine is the durability, reliability, heat dissipation, and of course, picking up micro shaving particles from the engine. And that's why I got that installed. Alright, I'm going to take that out now. Alright guys, draining the oil out now. As you can see, it's pretty full. I should have got a bigger bucket, but I think it catches everything right at the dot. And of course, the most curious thing is the magnetic drain plug. Did it capture anything this time? Well, from my observation, if it can... Trying to look to see. Oh yeah, there is some debris on there. You can definitely see some stuff. There's some shavings. I'm gonna go ahead and touch it, and I normally don't. Oh yeah, there is a lot. There is quite a bit of shavings. See, it's some shaving, metal shaving. Okay, well that answers it. That gold plug works wonders. Just gonna clean that up, and I just tighten it down to 22 foot-pounds. Oh, just to let you guys know, this is this model that I got for the Haus of Dubs oil pan. It's an AP-08 fits the thread, and yeah, it's a piece of mine. I put it to 22 foot-pounds. This is, I'm going to toss away this old crush washer right here and put in a new one, and we'll be good to go. Of course, after when I was draining it, before I drained it, I pulled the dipstick up so it can get some air pressure, and I got the USP Motorsports oil filter housing. I'll just take this off. One-handed wonder again. Yep, so you can get to it, no problemo. Now you can get that off. Everything else looks pretty good over here. Okay. Okay, I gotta show the folks how clean it looks now after I wiped it up. See, you can see the see how clean the magnetic is now. See that in the camera. Pretty clean. From original, all that metal shavings now gone. Put that back on. Alright guys, so I just put a little t-shirt over here, and a little bit of a sock around the oil filter housing. I'm just gonna break that baby loose right now and just get it off. It is on kind of tough, so you gotta be kind of patient. Anyways, you get the idea. I'll take that out, show you the next step. Okay, after loosening that, you can finally spin this bad boy off. Hopefully. Okay, there we go. I'm going to pull it straight out and then catch it right into the shirt here. So all I need to do now is get my little flathead screwdriver. I'm going to just pick that out and just pull it off. Pull it off this housing. It's hard to do it one-handed, guys. As you know, there you go. That wasn't too bad. And then move that aside. We're not going to reuse that. So we're going to get this filter housing off, which is not an easy feat one-handed. There we go. There we go. There's out with the old. That is kind of dirty in comparison to the very, very clean new one right next to it. There you go. So I'm going to get that buttoned up. I also have the new piece here. They tell you to apply a little bit of oil on it before you put it on there. It's going to go right there between the threads and that spot right there. This thing's still pretty warm. Anyways, I'll get that buttoned up and drop that bad boy right back into the hole. Alright, so I'm just, oh, by the way, the size of this right here is a, I believe, 1.5 inch. Where is that at? Oh, excuse me, 1 1/4. You can see that, 1 1/4. So that's a 1 1/4 on the top there by UPS, and I'm just spinning this thing as far as I can do it. And in on the thing it says 25 plus 5 Newton meters, so that's like 19 plus 3 more pounds, you know. So I just set it to 22 pounds, you know, just kind of get that job done. I think a couple people last time told me I over-clicked it or anything like that, but I haven't had any problems. So we're just gonna tighten that thing up. See, there's the bottom end of that. So we're just going to tighten it up to 20. See that? That's good. I know I double clicked that again, but it's fine. Now I'm just gonna change the oil, or I mean not change the oil, pour the oil, the new stuff into here, and we'll be good. I'll put the new oil in there, pour it in there. I'll pour about 5 quarts in there because I know this takes more than that. Start the engine, let the temp go up a little bit, let it drop, settle down for another 10 or 15 minutes. Keep checking the dipstick until I get it right exactly at the full spot, which I believe, where's the full spot on this? Yeah, full spot should be, basically the full line will be right here, if I'm not mistaken, right at the top here. If it's down this way, you need a whole quart to fill it back up to here. So low, and then perfect right there. Anyways, I'll get that done right now. Alright guys, I tightened that down, checked the dipstick, filled up the oil in the spot here, and you know, started it up. I know elapsed time is very quick, and then you're done. Then you just put the lid back on here, if you can find the spot, if I get lucky the first time. Huh, I did. Yeah. Yep, perfect. So I hope that helps you guys in changing your oil with a basic oil pan drain plug on a MK7 Golf. In this case, MK7 Golf R or GTI, whichever one you choose. Thanks for watching.